Hello, in this episode, we'll be learning how to install Node.js. Node.js is also one of the tools you will need to install in order for you to follow through this course. So, what is Node.js? Node.js can be defined as a tool that allows you to run JavaScript on your computer, not just in a web browser. It is used to build fast and scalable applications like web servers, chat apps, or automations, and so on. After installing Visual Studio Code, right, you need to install Node.js because what we'll be doing in this course has to do with automation. So you need Node.js. So with no further waste of time, let's learn how to install it. So if you want to install Node.js, it's very simple. All you just have to do is to come to your browser and search for Node.js. So you click on it, you click on this first link, and then you click on this one. This is the the most recommended version. And you click on it, it automatically download the file. Then you just come to your download, launch the file. So this is the setup window. You click on next. I already have it installed before, so I'll just click on change. So I'll click on back. I have to check something. So I'll click on this thing, automatically install all necessary tools. So when I check that one, then I'll click on next because it has some additional file that it will need to install after installing Node.js. So I'll click on next. Then changing means I'm overwriting the current version that I have with this latest version that I just downloaded. So then I'll click on change. So it is installing, but in your own case, if you are installing for the first time, it will not show all these things. Then I'll click on finish. Now it pops up this command prompt. Just press any key, so it will start downloading the additional files needed. So it's opening window PowerShell. So this is where to start downloading all the additional files now, like Chocolatey and the remaining. So you just have to wait for this thing. It takes some couple of minutes, but you just have to wait for it to download. So my own, I say you have Python version 3 installed. That's because I've already installed this before, but if you're installing for the first time, it will take a while for you to arrive at this point. So you just have to wait for this to finish. Then after finish installing, you come down to your command prompts. You can just search for command prompts like this. Then here you press Node in the front like this. It will show the current version of Node that you have. So that is how to install Node.js. And you need to do this after you install Visual Studio Code. In this episode, we have talked about Node.js and how you can install Node.js. So drop a comment if you have any question. Also like and share this video. And that will be all for this episode. And I will see you in the next one.